There are hedge fund managers making $1 million an hour. You know, it's crazy, right? It's money everywhere. It's money in everything. I want to help you. Start your business today. Come join my royal family. Subscribe to Casino is the Name. Hey, yo, what's going on right now? You're watching Casino is the Name, and I wanted to come to you guys and tell you guys about a job opportunity for a truck driver. If you have a CDL, there's a member of my family who's looking for a truck driver. So I don't know how many he's looking for. I know he's looking for at least one, but I know he's trying to expand his trucking business. Marquise, he's looking for a CDL driver with a clean driving record, 3 years of driving experience. The starting pay is $1,500 a week and up to $2,000. He said you must be able to pass a drug test. All right, so his phone number is 573-979-0708. The number again is 573-979-0708. I will be putting his information in the description below. So if you guys fit these parameters, 3 years driving experience, clean background, and you can pass a drug test, then please hit Marquise up. Doesn't matter where you live in the country, he will be able to accommodate you guys. So again, that number is 573-979-0708. All right, right now you're watching Casino is the Name. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to videos like this. I'm out. Hey, yo, what's going on right now? You're watching Casino is the Name, and if you wanted to know how I started my trucking business, I have an ebook called Big Shot, Hot Shot Volume 1, Own Your Trucking Authority. It's a great book, 5-star reviews. The link will be in the description below. Go get that. Yeah.
Beat me up, Scotty. Me up, Scotty.
Me and her together, we just count it up. Money on my mind, I can't get enough. Don't play with my money, you don't want no beef. Cause I come from the bottom, I come from the street. When she first saw me, she said, who is that? When a man saw me, he called me a threat. I'm the one that really live with a rap. They ain't never did it, they ain't really trap.
You say you want to be successful. Well, what's stopping you? Can't nothing stop you from being successful except for you. You standing in your own way. I came from the bottom. I ain't know nothing but the grind. You can't tell me nothing about that. I called the Busted Basin Street Projects in Tallahassee, Florida. You hear me? I used to think $1 million would last me my whole life. I'd have made that and spent that. $1 million ain't enough. There are hedge fund managers making $1 million an hour. You know, it's crazy, right? It's money everywhere. It's money in everything. I want to help you. Start your business today. Come join my royal family. Subscribe to Casino is the Name.